Gonna do a nighttime video today because that's the only time I have to work on the bikes. So I took off my stock mirrors, which on the 2015 R1 and on, and the new 2017 R6 has the integrated turn signals in the mirrors. But of course I took them off. I'm gonna get mirror block off plates eventually. I'm gonna put on some bar ends. Well, I lost my turn signals. So what I did is I picked up, if you can see it there, the OEM wiring harness with little butt connectors there, and it went with an LED turn signal strip, so amber light, if you see that there. So it's gonna be amber, and I'm gonna put these strips probably alongside either this light or more discreet into the fairing here. Very similar to what I did with the Gladius's turn signals. So that's the standard light, and I have my turn signals on the side. I don't know if you can see them here. They weren't very bright, so I added LED strips on the side, which are way more visible. So I'm gonna do that to this one so I can have my turn signals. The back ones I'm gonna keep the same, but I'm just gonna put these. I didn't want to cut my OEM wiring harness, so I just got the connector. I'm gonna splice that into these guys, and now put the strips somewhere to make it look clean but not too ugly. And then eventually I'll get mirror block off plates. So I'm going to splice these together first, and then I'll show you how it works. So I just spliced in other butt connectors into the light itself. So now just to plug it in and just test, make sure it works before I tape it all up and weatherproof it and everything. So let me plug this in real quick. So bike is on, plugged in. Let's see if that works with the signal. And it does not. Back signal's working, this one is not. Let me try again. Okay, so it looks like the adapters that I bought actually had it mixed up and the color coding's off. You would assume that the all black wire is the negative and the one with the white stripe is positive, but nope, it's backwards. So I just had them reversed. So now turn signal, they're just as bright, if not brighter, than the ones that come on the bike itself. And now it's not hyper flashing anymore since they're both LEDs, which is nice. It was hyper flashing without the front lights. So I'm gonna end up putting this, let's see if I can get back here real quick. Put it around there, depending on how it looks. Maybe if I can curve it down here or under the fairing. I'm gonna figure out the best placement for it and then tape it up. Probably somewhere here so I can hide the wire better. So you can see it from the side and from the front, I think. Maybe a little forward, I mean. That should work. I'll play around with it wherever I can hide it best. Oh, that wouldn't be too bad either. Alright, so I wonder if you can see in the video where I put them. Probably not, but they're alongside the little panel here. easier just to tuck in back there, and it plugs right in. Cable doesn't need to be too long. And I thought that was the best position because you could see it from the sides, from the front. From the front and pretty much directly to its side. So now I have turn signals. I didn't want to wait for someone to make integrated block off plate turn signals. I know Hot Bodies makes a bit for a bunch of the Gixxers that have it. Yeah, so this works. Cleaner look too. Now I just have to wait for someone to make block off plates. I think Driven makes them currently. I'll look into those. But yeah, that's a quick little video. Super simple. One of the easier mods to do. Aside from just barn mirrors and stuff. Everything else so far is stock on this. Cool. If you have any questions, just let me know. These lights were just simple $8 lights I bought off Amazon. Really bright, so they're better than a lot of the LEDs you can buy. Could have bought more strips, I guess, and just spliced them all together and like put one there and one here. But I think that's good enough. Keeps me legal at least.